So, here in this video I am going to discuss an application of WKB approximation. So, one of the important application is we can easily get a solution of a particle if the particle bound in a harmonic potential. So, like this. For example, this is a harmonic potential well. If the particle is trapped in this harmonic potential well, so what is the solution? How can we calculate the momentum and energy, position and all that? So, but here I will discuss only the energy of a particle if it is bound in a harmonic potential. See, so if particle is here, it is oscillating like this. Okay. So, this is the turning points or extremes of the particle. So, here E is total energy which is equal to V. E is equal to V, where A is total energy and V is potential energy. So, then we know that the expression, so that is E is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, right. So, then kinetic energy which is equal to total energy minus potential energy I am represented with V. So, what is kinetic energy? We know that the general expression is of mv square, of mv square which is equal to E minus V. So, then what is its velocity? V is equal to 2 E minus V divided by m root, right. So, 2m E minus V is velocity. Next, and also the potential energy V can also be written as V is equal to of k x square for oscillating particle, right. And also we can write V is equal to 1 by 2 into what is k, m omega square x square. But when at extremates, so what is extremates? At extremates of oscillating, so like here in these positions E is equal to V. So, therefore, E is equal to 1 by 2 into m omega square a square. Okay. So, what is this A? A is amplitude. A is amplitude of the particle, the maximum oscillation of this particle. Okay. Next, so and also we know that the Bohr's quantization says that the energy in terms of Bohr's quantization, so we can write that as integration A to B P dx is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross if the particle bound in a harmonic potential, one dimensional potential well. So, we can use the expression integration P dx is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross, and P is a momentum. P is momentum. So, therefore, so let us substitute here. So, by using these expressions, okay. So, then what is momentum? So, by using this expression we can write that as, so let us take multiply m on both sides. So, it is mv square is nothing but P. So, P is equal to root of 2 into E minus V. If you multiply m on both sides of the equation, so you will get P is equal to root of 2 E by V, 2 m E minus V. Okay. So, next, so let us substitute there integration. So, here our extreme position is minus a and plus a. So, integration minus a2 plus a. What is p? We know that root of 2m into e minus v into dx, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross, right. So, next this is e minus v. Next, so let us take e as a common from this equation. So, we can write that as minus a to a. So, if I take root of 2m by e, if you take that, then here it will be, so e has come outside. So, it is 1 minus v by e whole power 1 by 2 into dx, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. Okay. Next, so let us write that as 2m by e integration. So, we know that v is nothing but of m x square and e is nothing but of m a square. So, then v by e is nothing but of m x square divided by of m a square, but we know that x square is nothing but 2v divided by m, 2v divided by m whole power 1 by 2 into t. So, let us consider x is equal to 2e divided by m omega square into 1 by 2 into t. So, then dx is equal to 2e divided by m omega square whole power 1 by 2 into t. So, therefore, v by e is equal to of m x square of m a square. So, which is equal to of m. So, if you substitute here, so then we will get 2e divided by m x square and m omega square. So, then we will get, after substituting this x and a, we will get t square. So, v by e is equal to t square. Next, so therefore, substitute this v by e here in this expression. So, then we can write that as 1 minus, what is v by e? T square into, so 1 by 2 into, what is dx? Dx is nothing but 2e m omega square, 2e divided by m omega square whole power 1 by 2 into, so dt. So, dt. Okay. So, then because see, so we know that k is equal to m omega square. So, then m omega square is nothing but, or omega square is equal to k by m. So, potential energy V is equal to of k x square, right. At extreme position, V is equal to of m omega square x square. So, then x square is equal to, so 2v divided by m omega square and x is equal to 2v by 1 by 2. Similarly, a is equal to 2e divided by m omega square whole power 1 by 2. So, that actually I substitute here. Next, so therefore, so from this expression integration, so let us take -1 to +1. So, root of 2m by e into 1 minus t square into 2e divided by m omega square whole power 1 by 2 into dt is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. So, therefore, so from this equation 2 into 2 power 1 by 4 power 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. So, m and m cancel. So, then e and e cancel. So, this is 2m e. So, then e square, so that is e divided by omega into integration c. Let us consider t is equal to sin theta by substitution method. So, then dt is equal to sin theta into d theta. So, then, so if you substitute here, sorry, d theta is equal to differentiation of sin theta is cos theta into d theta. So, 1 minus what is t square sin square theta. So, what is dt? So, dt is nothing but cos theta into d theta, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. So, therefore, 2e divided by omega into integration varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because minus 1 at when sin is pi by 2 minus sin by 2, and it is plus 1 when sin is equal to plus pi by 2. So, then which is equal to 1 minus, so sin square theta into cos theta into d theta. So, which is equal to same as it is, and 2e divided by omega into 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So, cos square theta into cos theta d theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, therefore, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So, next, so I am going to wrap this part. So, actually this is 1 by 2, right? So, therefore, integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, sin square theta 1 by 2 is nothing but cos square theta 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but cos theta. So, from this equation you will write cos square theta d theta is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. So, cos square theta is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. So, let us integrate minus pi by 2 to, so plus pi by 2 into d theta is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. So, then, so after integrating this, we know that integration of d theta is nothing but theta plus integration of cos 2 theta is nothing but sin 2 theta divided by 2, limit varies from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. Next, so therefore, which gives after substituting the limit pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. So, plus, so if you substitute here, so then it is sin 2 pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 2 minus into minus plus 2, right. So then pi by 2 minus into minus plus, so pi by 2 by 2 into this coefficient is 1 by 2 into, actually there it is E by omega, 2E by omega, and so then 2 cancel and this 2 cancel. So this is 0, and which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. So why this is 0? Because 2 gets cancel, sin pi is nothing but 0. So then E by omega into pi, which is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi h cross. So then E is equal to n plus 1 by 2 into pi cancel h cross omega. So this is an energy of a harmonic oscillator which is bound in a harmonic potential. So this we calculated by using WKB approximation. If n is equal to 0, it is also 0, half h cross omega, that is 0 point energy. So if n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, then E0 is nothing but half h cross omega. If n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. So then it is E1 is equal to 3 by 2 h cross omega, like that. Okay. So in the next video, we will discuss an applications of WKB for a particle bound in a one dimensional potential box.